Welcome to my YouTube channel Dev Yoga Shala. In this video, I am going to teach you the core strengthening workouts, especially if you have diastasis recti, the separation between your abdominal muscles. So I will be showing you the various exercises, the core strengthening workouts which really helps you in reducing the gap between your abdominal muscles. And you well know about the diastasis recti, and if you have the diastasis recti and if you have the too much separation between your abdominal muscles, so these core strengthening workouts will really helps you in reducing the gap between your abdominal muscles. And as an expert, and I have seen many of my students and having the same problem. So I will be sharing the few core strengthening workouts which really helps you in reducing this diastasis recti. And you will learn about the diastasis recti, and you can also consult the doctor before practicing the exercises. And you can go with the doctors. You can check with the doctors what exactly the condition is. So if most of the doctors will prefer to do the physical therapy, to do these core strengthening workouts, and most of the doctors will also prefer that if you have the umbilical hernia, and maybe you can go with the surgery, and you can also consult the doctor regarding to this. And in this video, I will be sharing you a very basic foundations for the core strengthening workouts, which really helps you for the postpartum. Most of the people have the belly, right? And most people have the diastasis recti. And if you want to reduce the gap between your abdominal muscles, and if you want to go with the strengthening of your core, and this is very natural method that you can reduce the gap between your abdominal muscles. And let's get started. And before starting the class, and if you are new to my channel, you please subscribe to my channel and you press the bell icon, you never miss an update. Let's get started. And before practicing any exercises, or if you're practicing the yogasana, you please always remember you have to go with the basic warm-up. So that helps you in proper functioning of your muscles when you're practicing the asanas or when you're practicing the core strengthening workouts. So you please keep your both hands beside here. Now as you inhale, you raise your head up, look up, and raise your both hands up. Exhale, you look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Lift your sternum higher. You keep engaging the core. Exhale, you look down. Inhale, raise your both the hands, look up. Exhale, look down. Now we'll go with the front half neck rotation. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back half neck rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now keep your both the hands on the shoulder. You go with the shoulder rotation. 1, rotate front. 2, 3, 4, reverse. 1, inhale up, exhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Now you go with these twisting. Each exhale, you twist, look back. 1, 2, 3, exhale, inhale, exhale. You twist and hold. 1. You can keep a hand on the wall. 2. Or else you can keep a hand on the ground. Well and 3. Well and 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Change. Inhale. Exhale, twist, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now keep your both hands behind the neck, interlock your fingers. Now you keep engaging the core and engage your oblique muscles. Inhale, exhale, Slowly bend sideways, lateral extension. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Well in 2, 3. If you are finding difficulty, simply you can keep your elbow on the ground. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down and hold and stay there. Extend the hand. 1, come on. You look towards your extended hand. You keep engaging the core here. 2. Well and 3. You keep smiling. 4. Here 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale. Exhale, bend sideways. Other side. 1, come on. Extend the hand. Well and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, slowly come back. Now, you extend your both the legs front here. Extend your both the legs front. Now, you lie on the back here. You try to fix your both the foot firmly into the ground. Now we'll go with the basic foundations. You please try to follow limitation while doing these asanas. You fix your both the palms sideways. Now from here, you lift your right leg up and slowly down. 1, you bring your leg more front and down. If you want to go with a little advanced, you simply keep your both hands behind. You raise the head up slightly, look front. 1 up, try to touch and down. 2, engage the core and inhale. Exhale, engage the core. Inhale. Exhale, engage the core. Inhale. Make sure that your upper body is completely pressing to the ground. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale and you stay there. 1. You raise the leg up in the 90. Well in 2. You keep engaging the core here. Well in 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Inhale. Hope you are feeling. Now we'll go to the other side. Exhale. Engage. Inhale. Come up. Come back. Exhale. Engage the core. Inhale. Exhale. Engage the core. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, up and hold. Stay here. 1. Well, 2. 3. You keep engaging the core. 4. You please don't strain yourself. 5. Well, 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Inhale. And relax. Inhale and exhale. Now lift your both legs up here. You fix your both the palms on the ground and slowly come. Bring your both legs down. Inhale up and slowly down. Don't touch your hips to the ground. 1 up. Engage the core here. You try to rise up slightly up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Bring the leg front and slowly down. Well in 3, you keep engaging. Make sure your tailbone is touching to the ground and slowly come back. You feel the rectus abdominis. 3 up and slowly down. 4 up and down. 5 up and down. 6 up and down. 7 up and down. 8 up and hold 1. You keep engaging the core. 2. Hope you are feeling. 3. You feel the core engagement. 4. Well and 5. You keep your both the foot flat. 6. Well and 7. 8. 9. Raise the waist slightly up. Don't lift your complete body. 8. 9. And 10. Relax. Deep inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Now from the same position, you just try to extend the leg front. Your other leg will remain the same. Now slowly raise the leg up and slowly down. 1 up and slowly down. Make sure that your lower back is completely resting to the ground comfortably. Well done. 2 and down. 3. Engage the core. 4. Exhale. 5. Engage. 6. Engage. 7. Engage. 8. Up and hold and stay there. 1. You tighten your knee. 2. Well and 3. Here 4. Well and 5. Hope you are feeling. 6. 7. Tighten your knee. 8. 9. 10. And relax. Deep inhale and exhale. Now extend the other leg front. 1 up and slowly down. You don't touch your heel to the ground. 2. Engage the core and down. 3 and down. 4 and down. 5 and down. 6. Well and 7. 8. Up and over and stay there. 1. Come on. Well and 2. Here 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Relax. Take a long inhale and exhale. Now we'll go with the second variation. So extend the leg front. Now from here, you raise the leg up. You go with a small movement of the leg. 1. Now you raise the head up. You extend the both hands front. 2. 3. 4. 5. Well, 6. 7. 8. 9. Up and hold, stay here. 1. Well, 2. 3. 4. It's a little advanced. If you are finding difficult, you can drop the head down. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Relax. Now go with the second leg. You extend the leg front. You keep fixing the palms firmly into the ground. Make sure your upper body is completely pressed into the ground. Now go to the small movement 1. If you want to do little advance, raise the head up, extend the hands for sideways. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up and hold, stay here. 1. Well done. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Take a long inhale and exhale. Now bend your both the legs. Now we'll go to the little reverse stretch. Fix your both the palms here. Make sure that your both the foot are facing front. Now raise your waist up. Engage the core and slow it down. Build a little back bend. Yes, 2. You keep engaging and down. 3. You keep engaging the core and down. 4. Inhale. Engage the core and down. 5. Up and hold here. 1. Well in 2. Here 3, 4, 5. Now from the same position, you fix your both the palm, bring the glutes down, engage the core up. Down, engage the core. Down, engage the core. Down, engage the core. Down, engage the core. Last 3 more. 1. Well done. 2, 3, 4. Engage the core and hold here. 5. Well done. 6, 7, 8. And slowly relax. Now simply go with the Baddha Konasana, Supta Baddha Konasana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly relax here. Now fold your both legs the same. Now simply try to keep your both hands behind the neck. Now simply raise the leg up, just simply try to touch and slowly down. Alternate knee to elbow touch. 1 up, twist and slowly down. Yes, 2. Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up and hold 1. You keep engaging. 2. Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly come back, inhale. Exhale. Engage the core. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And slowly relax. You deep inhale and exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly relax. Now we'll go with the sitting postures now. Now you take the brick here. If you have the bricks, you please take the brick. Now you have to sit in Dandasana. You keep your leg exactly the center. Okay. Now you fix your both the palms firmly here. You keep looking front. You just try to keep your both the foot flat in the dorsiflexion, and the posterior part of the legs are touching to the ground. Now we'll go with the basic here. You look front. Now, if you want to keep your both the legs in the plantar, you can keep legs in the plantar and the dorsal. You can choose your comfort. Now, slowly raise the leg up. You keep engaging. The moment when I'm raising the leg, you just try to engage the pose. You have to feel and bring this leg front and then go to the same. You have to go with the side to side. Okay. You lift your leg up, one, and slowly down. But don't touch your heel to the ground. If you are finding difficulty, you can keep your heel on the ground. If not, you go with the continuous movement. 2, well in 3, 4, 5, 6, up and hold, stay there, 1. Engage the core, well in 2, 3, 4, engage the core, 5, 6, 7, 8, relax. Inhale and exhale. Now we'll go with another leg. 1, 2, engage the core. You feel the engagement of your abdomen. 3, 4, 5, 6, up and hold and stay here. 1, well in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, relax. Inhale and exhale. Now from the same position, you fix your both the palms on the ground. Now you keep your both the legs front here. Now you take this break, you keep your break between your both the knees. Okay, make sure that your both the foot are facing front and your both the palms are facing towards the hip. Now you keep engaging the core, you lift your body up and slowly down. 1, keep engaging the core and slowly down. Well in 2 and slowly down. Here 3, you keep engaging the core and down. 5, up and hold, you stay here. 1, well in 2, here 3, 4, 5, you keep engaging the core. 6, you keep contracting the hip muscle. 7, 8, 9, and slowly relax. Extend your both the legs front. You keep your breath aside. 5, here 4, well in 3, 2, and 1. Now you join your both the legs together, or else you can keep your both the legs in shoulder level. You fix the palms same. You can keep your both the palms facing front, or you can keep your both the palms facing back. You keep looking front here. You keep pressing the palm firmly. Now inhale. Exhale, you raise your waist up. You keep engaging the core. Lift your body up and slowly down. Well in 2, you keep engaging the core and slowly down. You can keep your both the palms facing front as well. Well in 5, engage the core and down. Well in 6, keep engaging and slowly down. 7, up and hold, stay there for 10. 1, lift your body up, stay here. 2, if you are finding difficulty, you can keep your heel as well, no problem. But you try to keep your both the foot. Well in 2, well in 3, well in 4, here 5, 6, you keep engaging the core. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly relax. Just relax the legs. You relax the hands. 5, well in 4, here 3, well in 2, 1 and relax. Now we'll go with the second one. You again fix your both arms firmly into the ground. Now you raise your body up the same. You go to this movement, you slowly bring the leg back. Now from here, you bring this leg front more and slowly extend the leg front. Right? 1, engage and front. 2, engage and front. 3, bring the leg front, engage and extend it forward. Well done. 4, engage and front. 5, engage and front. 6, up and hold and stay here. 1, you keep engaging. Well done. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Relax. Just straight hug your knees and stay here. 5. You go the slight movement for the better relaxation. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll go with the second leg. You fix the palm the same. You raise your body up, extend the leg front. 1, engage. Well done. 2, engage. Well done. 3, and front. 4, and front. 5, and front. 6, up and hold and stay here. 1. Well done. 2, you keep engaging the core. 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. You keep your both the legs front. Just relax the legs and relax the hands. 5. Take a long inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now simply you go with the next now. You keep your elbow on the ground. We'll go with the side plank. Now you can keep your one leg on for other. Otherwise you can keep the leg side to side. Okay. Now you raise the body up here. Now extend the hand. You bring this hand. You try to keep your hand in and slowly come up. Well done. 2, keep your hand in and slowly come up. Well done. 3, and look up. 4, and look up. 5, and look up. 6, and look up. 7, and look up. 8, and hold. Look in and hold. 1. Well done. 2, you keep engaging. 3, well done. 4, you look in, you keep smiling. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale and relax. You simply stay here. You keep your hand under the neck, behind the head, and simply you can stay here. 5, you fix the palm in front. Well done. 4, well done. 3, well done. 2. Now from the same position, you try to lift the leg up. You try to bring this leg up and extend the leg forward. Well done. 2, engage the core and front. 3, sideways, engage oblique muscles and front. Well done. 4, and front, extend it. Well done. 5, and extend. Now you need to bring the same leg front up. Yes. 1, and extend the leg same back. Well done. 2, bring it front and slowly back. While in 3, bring it front and back. 4, bring it front and back. You simply try to keep your hand behind the neck the same. You bring it leg front and slowly back. While in front and back. We are going with very basic foundation. So it is really important that you have to practice everything. Okay. While in 3 and back. While in 4, engage. 5, bring it more front and back. 6, bring it more front and back. 7, you bring it at front, you keep engaging and stay here. 1, you twist and look back. While in 2, here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and relax. Now we'll go the same other side. You change side, you go with the half plank. You keep your while up on the ground, one hand side plank, you raise your body higher. Inhale, exhale, look in. Inhale, look up. While in 2, engage the core and up. 4, engage the core and up. 5, engage the core and up. Raise the waist higher. You keep contracting the hip muscle. While in 6 and slowly up. 7 and up. 8, you keep engaging and stay there. 1. While in 2, 3, you keep engaging here. 4, well 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly relax. With Anantasana, deep inhale and exhale. Now raise the leg up, just try to bring the leg for sideways and slowly back. While in 2 and back. While in 3 and back. 4 and back. 5 and back. 6 and back. 7 and back. Now you bring the same leg front. 1 and back. While in 2 and back. While in 3, engage the core and back. 5, engage the core and back. 6, you bring the leg front and stay here. 1, you look up here. 2, you keep engaging the core. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and slowly relax. You simply lay on the back, inhale and exhale. Now you take the break for the little double stretch. You keep your break under your low back and simply you can stay here. Extend your both legs front. You relax the back. 1, well in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then slowly come back. You keep your break aside. Now you sit in Dandasana. Exhale, you twist, look back. 5, well and 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Exhale, twist, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. Now we'll go with the next. You please stand on the knee here. Now fix both the palms firmly. Now the position of your both the knees and both the hands remain the same. Okay. Now you look front. Initially we will go with the Marjari Asana. From the Marjari Asana we have to go to Bidil Asana. Okay. Now inhale, slowly make an arch in the back. Look up. Exhale. Engage the core. Looking. You keep engaging. Inhale. Now slightly make an arch. Exhale. Engage the core. Looking. Go the posterior pivoted. You're looking head in. Now come back to the neutral position. Inhale. Exhale. Engage the core. Looking. Come back to the neutral position. Exhale. Engage the core. Looking. Come back to the neutral position. Exhale. Engage the core. Hold here. 1. Well and 2. You keep engaging the core here. 3. Well and 4. Look your head in. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Slowly come back. Inhale. Make an arch. 5. Well and 4. Well and 3. Well and 2. One more time. Now hold for 15 seconds. Engage the core. You're looking. Stay here. 1. 2. Well and 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Inhale. Slowly come back. Make an arch. 5 here. Well and 4. Well and 3. Well and 2. 1. Now from here, you fix both the palms firmly. Now, extend the leg back. You look front. You keep engaging the core. Raise the leg up and slow it down. 1 and down. 2 and down. 3 and down. 4 and down. 5 and down. Now from here, exhale, engage the core and bring the leg back. Exhale, bring the leg front and back. Exhale, bring the leg front and back. Exhale, bring the leg front and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You keep engaging. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Inhale and exhale. Now extend the other leg back. Lift your leg up. 1 and slowly down. Well and 2 and down. 3 and down. 4. You bring the same leg front. 1. Exhale, engage the core and extend it back. While in 2, exhale, engage the core and slowly back. While in 3, engage the core and slowly back. 5, engage the core and slowly back. Well in 6, engage the core and slowly back. 7, engage the core and hold it. 1, well in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Balasana. 10. Inhale and exhale. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Now we'll go to the next. You fix the palm the same. Okay. You keep looking front here. Just try to keep your both the legs in the plank, in the dorsiflexion. You look front. Now from here you keep engaging the core. You raise your both the knees off the floor. Engage the knee up and slowly down. Right, everyone? 2 and down. Engage the core. 3 and down. 4 and down. 5 and down. 6 and down. 7, engage the core and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and relax. Balasana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. You please practice these exercises and these core strengthening workout for at least 3 to 4 times in a week, and you please practice this for 1 to 2 months, and I can assure you that you will get the results after practicing these workouts, these yogic core strengthening. So you please wait for the part 2, and I will be sharing soon for the part 2. And you please practice these core strengthening workout. This really helps you in reducing the gap between your abdomen muscles. So thank you so much for this video, and you please try to follow limitation when you are practicing these asanas. And thanks so much for watching this video. And if you are new to this channel, you please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, you please just try to click the bell icon and please like my video. And if you want more, you please try to drop the comment in the comment box. So definitely I will be sharing the more useful content video to you. Namaste.